MX400 small drilling and milling center, space, and money-saving CNC machine. CNC machines and automation tools that are capable, affordable, and easy to install with high performance for axis milling CNC control, support multi-language interface display. XYZ axis motor type is AC servo motor, optional foot shaft with overflow coolant, automatic lubrication system, BT30 spindle type. It can process copper, iron, aluminum, and stainless steel parts, supporting drilling, tapping, milling, engraving, and other functions.